in the column of borrower ID. So as you can see, if you have any error, it will be showing you with the red line. So this indicates that there is an error here, and the error is forgot putting X. So put X borrower. So it must reflect to our original borrower. If our referencing table is the borrower table. So it should be borrower, not borrower. So so we have succeeded in creating the four tables. So the next thing is for us to insert into the tables value. Oh, and that's a good one. So we are going to insert values into the tables. And the first thing we do is that into. Okay. So we are using library database. So we are going to say use library database. So we are going to click execute. So we are now inside library database. So after that, we are now going to execute this our table that we have created. You can see I've executed the author table. You see now. Okay, there's something I have to show you now. Since we have executed uh, this author table in library database, so it is already authors table is in existence in the library database. So if I want to execute this again, let's take a look at it now. It will tell you already the object is already the name is already an object named authors in the database. So it's telling you that the table authors is already in existence in library database. So in a situation that you want to create new one, so what do you do? What you do is to use this command drop table. You now use drop table and execute it. So once you execute drop table authors, it means it will remove author from the table. From the author table, it will remove authors table from the library database. You understand? So now there is no author table in the library database because we have dropped the author table. So now if you want to run this to create new one, to create new author table in the library database, we now execute this. It's now created. You understand? So why am I saying this? Anytime you run into this kind of problem, what you do is what you use drop table command to remove the the table from the database. So we have run this, we have created authors table, then we run this one, we create books table, you see, successfully, command completed successfully. Then we run this one for borrowers. We have created borrowers table. Then we run this uh, for transaction. So we have created transaction table. So now, since we have created this table, you want to see what you have done, or so that you will know if what you have done is already in existence or what you have done is correct. So what you do is to query the data. So what we do, we now use the command. We say so we now use the command uh select all. So whenever you see this tab in SQL, it means all. Select all from which table are we going to select? You now say select all from author. So we say author. So want to see this will now show us everything that we have created as authors table. So if I execute this now, if I execute this, so you have shown us the authors table. Look at it now. You know, we created a table and called it authors. In this authors, we have author ID. This is the author ID, which is our primary key. Now the next field or the next field or the next field or column is name. You see it. Then the next one is nationality. You see it now. So if also we want to check here, we want to check books table. Okay, I'll go here and I would I want to check book table now. So I will execute it. You see, books table. So in book table, we have book ID, title, author ID, genre, published year, price. So we have book ID. You can see it. This is the book ID. We have the title. We have the author ID. This is it. Genre, published year, and the price. You see it now. So also, if you want to query to know what is inside the borrower's table, instead of here, we now change this to borrower's table and say borrowers. So once you are typing it, the SQL will suggest or will give you a suggestion of what you want to type. So you can select from the suggestion. So we want to query for borrowers table now. So we now click this. You see borrowers, you have borrowers. In borrowers table, we have borrowers ID column, we have name, we have address, and the phone. You see it now. So also, if you want to check this one, the transaction table, will now transaction. So as you're typing, SQL will suggest for you. So if it is correct, you select the correct one, then execute. You see, we created a table called transactions. In that transaction, we have transaction ID, you have book ID, you can see it. We have borrower's ID, you can see it. So that is it. So after we have checked this is just to check if what we have executed, the tables we have created is actually created inside our library database. So what next should we do? So the normal thing to do after this, after creating the table, is to insert some values into the table. So what we're going to do now, we are going to say insert into the first table we created was authors table. So we'll now say insert into authors table. Then you open a bracket. In authors table, we have authors ID. Once you are typing, the computer, the SQL will like to suggest to you what you want to type. So if it is in the option, you select the right one. So we have author ID, we have name, you see, we have nationality, and we close the bracket. Now, we now say, what are the values that we want to add? We say value, then we want to add the author's ID, we want to make it 1. Then the author, the author's name, we say George, George, uh, uh, Martin, Martin. Then what is the nationality? The nationality of the author is America. So this is the first value we are adding. Add the second one. The author ID, 3, J, R, token, token. This, uh, where is the author? From Britain. Okay. Then the third volume, uh, for Agatha Christie. Well, it's from British, British. Then we have next volume as per the Archimov. Uh, I think I American. where is the author from? America. Now remember, we are adding values, and these values we have to tell the SQL that this value is value number one, value number two, value number three. So we use uh, commas to tell SQL so that people will know that this is number one value, number two value, and number three value, number four value. So remember to end it with semicolon. Okay. So we will now execute this. Four rules affected. So is complete, successfully completed. So now if you want to see what you have done, just select all from the author. Now execute this. You see? You see the column. So in author's table, we have author's ID, we have name and nationality. And those values they included here, as you can see, George R. Martin, nationality, America. So what we have done, what we have executed, just executed, is inside the database. So what again? What we have to add, we have to insert into the books table. Insert it into the books table. Then what I would want to, what are the columns in books table? The columns in book table are book ID, title, title, author, author ID, diary, um, public year, and the price and price. So these are the columns or the fields in books table. So values, what are the values we want to add? So a noun, open bracket, the number one value there of the book is for one, a game of the throne, again of the throne. Game of the throne. Then the authority, one, then one thirty, one, and then, yeah, and thing that the price, $25.00. Yeah. Really. The the hobby, the hobby. Right. Really. Man, that so 15.00. One. Um. Four. More one on the Orient Express. Next 19 started from rise dating from zero. One, one on the sun and then kick kick on 1951. Then, down, so we add this value to book to book table. Okay, so we execute this now. Then we query it. to see what was executed. If we say select all and go execute, you see, you see what we have created. Well, added these values to the book table. So, okay. So for this, we have to, I have to fast forward this to put more data so that the video will not be too much lengthy. So I have to copy and paste it here, the values, so that we can be able to cover what we want. Right. As you can see now, we have inserted values. I've inserted values into the authors. I've inserted values into the authors table, the books table, the borrower table, and also